In this video I'm going to show you how to link a table that you have in an Excel document to your AutoCAD drawing in the paper space, and just I'll show you a few little other tricks within that. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open a drawing which is going to be some of my plan sheets, but a little tip here, and this is good to open all your drawings this way. If you go to File and Recover, and you can pick, this is my plan sheet, then AutoCAD will basically look through the whole document drawing and see if there's any errors, and then a lot of times if there are errors, it'll fix them. But it's good, especially big large projects. These are just plan sheets, but especially for your actual drawing or design, that's a good thing to do. Hit OK. Okay, so this is open to my traffic control, but here I want to show you basically these are my pay quantities. And these are all tables in here, but each one of them is specifically linked to an Excel table. Okay, so I want to show you how to do that. So let me find it real quick. So we want to go to the Insert tab, and first you have to create the data link specifically, and before you actually bring it in. So if you go to Data Link, and you can see I've already made all of these, but let's say we want to create a new Excel data link, and you can just name it, just call it Test. Okay, and so you can browse for a file. So I'm going to look here. So I've got it under Quantities, Summary and Pay, and then it pops up, and here's all the sheets that are within that pay item, or with that summary table. So let's just say here, I'm going to do Existing Structure Remove. I think that'll be easier. So we can either link to an entire sheet or link to a range. So it's going to be this one, so I generally put them in the top left corner, so that would be A1, and then that's B, so 1, 2, 8. So you just put the range that it would be in Excel, and I can bring up that table in a second just to show you and clarify. So you can hit preview, and sometimes it'll just say it's too large to display. You can just hit OK. Okay, so now we have test here. So we say OK. So we've created it, but obviously nothing happened there. So there's a couple ways to do this. So this one we'll just download from the source. I like to just type in table, and then so the table style, everything stays the same, but we want to insert options from a data link. So now here's our whole list of links. So we just created this test, and then we can say here we want to specify the insertion point. So now we've actually got this table floating around, and again it'll come in on whatever layer you have open here. So now we've just brought that in. So that's just a quick way to do that, and obviously all of these are done a similar way, and then whenever you go in and edit your Excel document and save it, AutoCAD will come up with a warning that says, hey, you've updated the data link, would you like to update it here? And so you can just click update, and then this will automatically update as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks.